Hi, in this video I want to talk about a sex ratio in X-linked lethal gene cross, and today's question would be: what sex ratio would you expect among the offspring of the cross between normal male mouse and female mouse, heterozygous for recessive X-linked lethal gene? You might stop this video here and try to solve this problem on your own, and then compare your results with my explanation. So here is my explanation. Let's take this mice as female, and let this mice would be male, and we can abbreviate X for female and Y for male. This is a system of the sex determination in the mammals, and the other way we can use to show is one X chromosome, another one X chromosome, and there is one lethal gene on one of these chromosomes. So this is heterozygous form, and for the male this would be one X chromosome and one Y chromosome. These two chromosomes are not equal, and on this X chromosome we don't have lethal gene, because if we have lethal gene, such organism wouldn't be able to survive. There is not such thing like lethal gene, and it can be any gene on the X chromosome that is very important for the organism development. And to solve this problem we might use Punnett square. So let this side be male and this side would be female. So we have X, Y on this side, and X, let it be X lethal and X normal on this side, on the female side. And here we build our Punnett square, and here would be sex ratio. So in this box we will have X lethal and X normal that goes from the father side, normal X from the mother side, and normal X from the father side, X with lethal gene from the mother side and Y chromosome from the father side, and X normal and Y chromosome from the father side. So here we have two females, and one would be normal, homozygous normal for this gene, and this one would be heterozygous for defective gene. But as long as on the other chromosome there is normal copy of this gene, so such organism would survive. And what we have here, we have one male with Y chromosome, and on the only X chromosome we have lethal gene, and that means that such gene is present in only one copy, and it doesn't have homologous chromosome on the Y chromosome, homologous gene. So such organism wouldn't be able to make a normal protein and wouldn't be able to survive. And here we have normal male. So what do we have here? We have one female, another one, and we have one male that wouldn't be able to survive and one male that would be able to survive. So we got sex ratio 2 females to 1 male. So such a cross between heterozygous for lethal gene female with male bring us sex ratio 2 female to 1 male. And on the next slide I will explain another example of the sex ratio in the birds, because birds use slightly different sex determination system, and this would be interesting also to solve problem using different organism as example. And here is another example, and here is a question. What would be expected sex ratio among the offspring of the cross between a normal hen and a rooster heterozygous for the recessive Z-linked lethal? And in birds, here is a female and here is a male. And in birds we have slightly different sex determination system, where birds is heterozygous for the two sex chromosomes, and this system calls ZW system, and males is homozygous for this chromosome. So we have here one chromosome and one small chromosome, and in males we have two homologous chromosomes, and on the one chromosome there would be defective lethal gene. So to solve this problem we also use Punnett square. So this side would be male, and male we have Z lethal and Z normal, and this side would be female, and we have ZW. So we make our Punnett square. So in this first square we have Z normal from the female side and Z lethal from the male side, and here we have W and Z lethal from the male side, and here we have Z and W Z. So what do we see here is two males, that is ZZ. One would be heterozygous for the lethal gene, so this organism would survive because one of the chromosome have normal gene that it would be able to produce, and another male would be homozygous for the normal gene, and here we have female that is have on the one of the chromosome lethal gene, and there is no copy of this gene on the other chromosome, so such organism wouldn't be able to survive. And here is a normal female that has normal gene, so our sex ratio would be as you see here, two males and two females, but one wouldn't be able to survive, so sex ratio would be 2 males to 1 female. So this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe to my videos. Thank you and goodbye.